church is starting to care. Christians all over the world are starting to come together in love. Just like the Bible promised, His Spirit's being poured from above. It's been a long time coming, and I hope it will never end. Talking about the unification of the body of Christ into a true church again, my friend. Alright, yeah, bop, 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 yeah. Disagree with one of you on a point of theology, but the world really doesn't care what we think. They just want to be set free. Jesus is alive and well, and that's news that people should know. And the church is more effective when we let a little love show. Do you believe it's been a long time coming, and I hope it will never end? Talking about the unification of the body of Christ into a true church again, my friend. It's been a long time coming, and I hope it will never end. The unification of the body of Christ into a true church again, my friend. One more time, it's been a long time coming, and I hope it will never end. Talk about the unification of the body of Christ into a true church again, my friend. It's been a long time coming, and I hope it will never end. Talk about the unification of the body of Christ into a true church again, my friend.